welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be continuing on with that PT-D220 label maker series. Today we're finally starting on printing labels. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know when it comes to printing labels. I'm going to start by showing you print preview so you can actually see what you're about to print. This will help minimize waste. We're going to talk about feeding, tape, printing, and of course, I'm going to show you how to do numbered copies of printing today, how to change how many labels you want to print at one time to help save you a little bit of time. And of course, we're going to talk about that manual tape cutter that's built into your machine. And then I'll go over a quick way to peel and stick those labels themselves so you don't get caught up on that adhesive backing. Okay, before I get started, please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. It's extremely helpful and I would be very grateful. Okay, let's do it. For today, I'm going to show you how to do a few different things with your machine. The first thing I'm going to show you is print preview. So let's say we have our label. We're going to go ahead and hit preview. And this is going to show you exactly what your label would look like. Now notice all of a sudden you see 2 lines of print. I'm going to hit escape. Right now you can only see 1 line at a time. So this print preview is a great feature when you're doing multi-lines of print or when you get into the world of templates and borders and pictographs, things like that that won't show up on the normal view. This preview feature will show you and allow you to see exactly what your label will look like. So again, we're going to have the magnifying glass to preview with label, and we'll hit escape to be in your normal editing version. While I have you on print preview, I'm going to show you how to feed tape. So you're going to hit shift, magnifying glass. Hear that machine going? That's going to give you 1 inch of plain label tape when you feed your tape, okay? So again, shift magnifying glass is going to be to feed tape, just magnifying glass would be to preview your tape. I hope you're liking what we're doing so far. Please do not forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. I genuinely really appreciate it, and seriously, it helps me with my boss more than you know. So seriously, thumbs up this video and let's keep going. When it comes to printing, let's say we want to print, you're going to go ahead and hit the this button, print. You'll notice here it says copies and then you'll see a 1. You can change the number of copies by either arrowing or you can use your keypad. You can go up to 9 copies of label tape, okay? I'm going to show you what it would look like if we change that number to 2 and hit print. So we're going to do 2 copies of print. So you notice it said please cut, and I use that manual cutter, and then now I have 2 labels in 1. So this is 1 strip of tape, and you'll notice these 2 dots in the middle. Those are your cut lines. If you cut along those lines, these labels will be the same size, okay? So if you printed 9 copies, it would be on 1 long label, and you would cut with scissors in between on these cut lines. If you're printing a lot of the same label, I highly recommend this feature because it's going to save you the most label tape, because you do have that internal cutter blade in here that this machine has to pass. So this is a full margin, but you could do narrow margins, which would be a lot smaller. I highly recommend, again, using this feature if you have multiple copies of a label tape. It's the best way to save tape. Now, once you have your label, the easiest way to peel this is not by picking at the sides. That would never happen for you, okay? You know what I mean? It's way too much work. So what we're gonna do is there's a crack peel backing. It's right down the middle, so split and peel, so you can kind of pick right in the middle and simply pull it apart, okay? And then again on the other side, super easy, user-friendly. And then now you can kind of stick this anywhere you need to. And that's a wrap on basic printing. I'll see you next week while we continue on and with a little bit of specialized printing. It's just a little bit spicier than this week, okay? Please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. See you soon. Bye-bye.